This is my Asian grilled pork tenderloin. And I've got a really nice marinade and a nice dipping sauce. Grilled Asian pork tenderloin. I like this recipe because it cooks the tenderloin just perfectly. We're going to grill it and then we wrap it in foil, and the juices pull back in. You can actually do this the day before. I've done it on whole pork loins too, which is really good. But this is a pork tenderloin, and what we want to do is take the silver skin off, put the tenderloin in a ziploc bag. It's a two-part process. For the marinade, the recipe for this is below in the comments. I've got some fresh ginger, some garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, some green onions, some tamari, half a cup, some sesame oil, and it has to be the real stuff, some avocado oil, red pepper flakes. I've got some powdered erythritol, teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. And if you don't have it, you probably have this stuff in your cupboard, but that's some anise, a little cinnamon, fennel, just a pinch of cloves. Cloves can be pretty strong, so just not much, just a pinch. And some fresh pepper, fresh cracked pepper. And we'll just mix this up. Oh, it smells really good. We'll seal it up, burp the air out, put it onto a fresh plate, into the fridge for 2 to 6 hours. Every 30 minutes or so, I'm going to go in and just massage the bag, flip it over. My pork tenderloin marinated in this Asian seasoning for 5 hours in total in the fridge. I started my small ceramic smoker here, and we'll put this piece of meat on. We'll discard the marinade. Now we're just going for some grill marks here, so and I've got a couple of extra things to put on here too. I've got some zucchini and a couple of Campari tomatoes. So we'll just put these on. And we're just going for really nice grill marks on this. And then we'll go into step 2. So I'll close that up. We're going to make a sauce, a really nice Asian dipping sauce. The ingredients for the sauce is below in the comments section. I've got some avocado oil, sesame oil, a 1/2-inch knob of minced ginger, and 1 clove of garlic minced. It's going to saute that. Some chili seeds, some powdered erythritol, rice wine vinegar, and some tamari. There, that sauce is reduced down. Like, you could add in some sesame seeds if you wanted to make it really good. Normally I would do it with a little bit of hoisin sauce, but it's too carby. So I'll just put that off to the side. We'll have a look here. Yep, they're coming. I'll put this dipping sauce into a little bowl, go on the table. It's a very powerful sauce, so you just want like a little bit. You could put some natural peanut butter in there too. That'd be really good. That's just enough sauce for one pork tenderloin. If you were doing 2, you might want to double it. Yeah, zucchini's looking good. Give them a little flip. Now the secret to this recipe is you want to marinate it, get some flavor into your pork tenderloin, and then you want to get some really good grill marks on it, and then we're going to wrap it in foil. We're going to cook it in foil for a little bit, and then, as I mentioned before, you can cook this ahead like a day before, and then just warm it up. Don't overcook it when you're warming it up the next day. Now, if you don't have a smoker, a mini smoker, a charcoal grill, or a regular grill, or a big smoker, you can do it in the oven too if you like. And what I would do is just put it on a raised rack and put it underneath the broiler, hit it like that, and then go into, just follow along, go into the tin foil stage, the wrap stage. That would work. I don't know about frying it though. Like if you didn't have an oven, you didn't have a grill or a smoker, frying it. I don't know. Okay, I think that's time for pulling the tomatoes. I'm just going to put them on the same plate because it's got a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper on there. And they're cooked nicely. And the zucchini, I like that. Okay, that's about 6 minutes in total. What I'd like to do now is take a piece of heavy-duty tin foil and we'll take the tenderloin off, put it in the tin foil, and we'll wrap it up like this. This method is just fantastic for making it super moist. But you could put that in the fridge now and then heat it up tomorrow, but I'm going to finish this off right. It's going to go on for about 6 to 10 minutes. And I'll give it a flip halfway through. There you go. That took about 14 minutes in total. About 6 minutes for the grill, and then about another 8 minutes in the foil. So let's take this off and rest it now. There, I let that rest for 10 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is I want to save some of these juices here. So I'm just going to pour them into a bowl. We'd never throw that out. Okay, let's have a look. That's just as tender as can be. See that little bit of pink in the center? You don't really want to overcook your pork tenderloin. Like beef tenderloin, you don't overcook it. This is really nice. Let me try a little piece. Oh yeah. Wow, that's packed full of flavor. You got to try this method of marinating, grilling, wrapping in foil. You can't beat it. And that's just as good the next day too. So I'll plate this up. I'll save that. It's a very powerful sauce. It's be good on cauliflower, broccoli, on the veg there. So I think I'll just put that right on the plate there. There you go. There's grilled Asian pork loin with a serving sauce, a dipping sauce. Thanks for watching.